What better style to start the season with than this one? Welcome to the world of crochet. Do keep on watching. I'll show you how to make this style and how to style it. First of all, let's talk about the extension. We're going to be making use of the feather crochet from QVR. We're making use of the reddish brown crochet. The info is on your screen and will be in the description box. Some reasons why you should make crochet this Christmas: you can style it in multiple ways and it's going to last you beyond this season. You can rock the hair for 2 to 3 months and it still looks good. And of course, you can reuse it. It's made of 100% human hair, so be rest assured it's still going to look nice afterwards. This is a nice investment. In total, I made use of 5 packs. If you want it to be super full, you can make use of the entire 5 packs, or you can make use of 4 packs. Something I can say is, if you're going for a shorter length, like 18 inches, you can install like 4 packs and it's going to come out amazing. But if you're going with this same length, you need to make sure it's full. That's the only way you can see the beauty of this style. Hi favorites, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. But don't just stop by, subscribe to the channel to join the family. I'm going to be coming at you with tons of hair tutorials and glow up videos, so do stay tuned to enjoy that, and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about feather crochet? Have you ever tried it? Are you going to try it? What do you think of this style I made in this video? If you're stuck at doing black hairstyles, I think this is a very nice switch. I promise it's going to look good on you. Now, I want to share a simple tip on how to take down this style, because most times people face problems trying to lose it. Now, the simple hack is to lose the cornrow under the crochet. So while you lose the hair, that's your cornrow, the hair is definitely going to go out. Before I figured this, I usually just cut it from the root, and my intentions were to use it to do boho braids or something of that nature, meaning I can't loop it in again as crochet. But then with this trick, this is an easy way to just lose it. Make sure you take down the cornrow, track it from where it ends, and then lose it. As you lose it, it's going to go out. I really hope this helps. If you've been following my crochet tutorials, you'll realize there's a way I make the front. I crochet in such a way that it's going to fall on my face. That makes it look more natural and fuller at the front. So just observe what I'm doing, because I can't really explain it. Observe and learn. After making the hair, I had kind of like one more pack left. It's not up to 1 pack, but you understand. Next thing on the list is to define the curls. You can't leave it like that, and if you brush it out like that, it's going to be so full. So how we're going to define it is we're making use of water and mousse. You can make use of water and leave-in conditioner. Aside from the first day I make the hair, other days I only use water to revive the curls. So to do this, you need to drench the hair in water. So you need enough water, and then you can use minimal mousse, but make sure you use enough water. After making use of the water and mousse, it's time to brush. The way we're going to be brushing it is from the tip of the hair. Okay, so brush from down up. Don't brush from up to down because it's going to get all tangled up. I went in with more water because, as I said, you need to drench the hair in water in order for the combing process to be easier. After that, I make use of my hand dryer, the hair dryer, to dry the hair. You can leave it to air dry, but I needed to finish up the tutorial on time, and that was why I made use of this heat. Something I always do to frame my crochet is to cut it into, a cuter frame to fit my face. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So this extension is actually long compared to other ones I've tried, but then it still worked. Can you see the outcome? I really love this color, and you need to see it in natural light. It looks so beautiful. So this Christmas, try this color. In fact, this style is so Christmas themed. I mean, the color, and it's curly. Trust me when I say you're going to love it. So save this video, share this to your friends. Anyone who you think would like this kind of style, share it to them. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Oh yeah, and Merry Christmas in advance. Bye.